everyone and welcome to SETU100. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to explain Sapphire Snatch project. So basically, it's a very simple game in which we need to catch the blue objects and we need to pass the red object. So if you touch the red object, there is a -1, and if you catch the blue objects, there is a +1. So we need to reach the score to 10 by catching it. So let's get started and have a look of the output of the project. So they are coming very fast. And if I touch with the red one, so you can see the score has been decreased over there. Now I can easily take it up. So the score is equals to 10 and everything got stopped over there. So it is a very simple game that we are going to make it over here. So I just open one link over there. That is the student link. Here, as you can see, no sprite and no backdrop is available. So first of all, I'm going to choose a sprite. So make a click on a choose a sprite. And from here, there is a broad box that we are going to take it up over here. This is our background. Now, after that, we are going to get started to select some sprites that we needed to make this game. So over here at the right hand side at the bottom, you will get the option to choose a sprite. Click on it and you will be here on the sprite section. So over here, I am taking one. Let's go to the food. There is a glass of water. So I'm going to take that one. Now this is the first sprite and I'm going to reduce the size of it. Let's make it 40 because we need to make a space to other sprites as well. Now the next I'm going to take it up a strawberry again from the food section. I'm going to take a strawberry over here. So it's connected and now over here I'm going to reduce the size of it. So I'm going to take it up like this. It's up to you, whatever the size you want to take it for the sprites, you can make it like that. Now, after that, I'm going to take a blue balloon. And also this is a very big size. So I'm going to reduce the size of it to making it 40. Or you can make it 50% either. So that is going to be work. Yeah, that's fine. Now the last object that I'm going to take it, that is the red apple. So this red apple is going to connect it over here. And also I'm going to reduce the size of it. So I think 60% will go work for the red apple. So it is working like that. So over here. Now over here, as you can see, right now we are having a backdrop and we are having a 4 sprites as well. So first of all, let's make a click on a glass of water and let's get started to make it work over here. So first we are going to make the glass of water keep dropping from top to bottom. So that is why you're going to event and take an option to take a start with green flag. Then of course it needs to go on the random position. This position should not be fixed. It needs to be moved anywhere, somewhere here, 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 and anywhere. So that is why we are taking the option of random position. Then we have to always keep it on the top. So that is where we are going to set the Y on the top. That should be 180. After that, we are going inside a control section, take a forever loop. Inside this forever loop, so make it drop from top to bottom. So through this, we have fixed the value. Now in the forever loop, we are going to decrease this value as -5. So it will be keep dropping by -5. So for that, you have to go motion and take an option of change Y by 10. So here you are going to keep it -5 like this. So it's going to get started working. Now here, once you can check this condition. So see, this glass is dropping from top to bottom every time once you make a click on a green flag. But this option needs to be happen continuously. Once the glass is reached out at this point, then it will be positioned back randomly anywhere on the top. So for that one, you have to create one condition. So creating a conditional statement, we are taking the if option, like if you have to take an option of less than. So if Y position, let me go to motion. and take it up. If y position is less than minus 170, because the y value, once the object is reaching over here, there is somewhere around the y values are becoming negative. So that is why we are taking the point to be negative over here. If the y is less than minus 170, so again, you need to keep a condition. Please go on a random position at somewhere where the y value stands positive 180 on the top. Now, if you make a click on a green flag, this glass is going to be keep dropping on different positions again and again like this. Okay. So this is working absolutely fine. Now the same code we have to keep develop for the strawberry. So I just copied it for the strawberry. Then I have to copy it for the balloon. Then I have to copy it for the apple. So simply it is getting copied, and if you make a click on it, you can see all the objects has been started to keep dropping from top to bottom by changing the random position. So this is working absolutely fine. Now after that, you have to attach one more sprite to catch these objects. So I'm going to select one more sprite, that is the bowl over there. So let it be connected. Now this bowl, we have to keep this bowl at this position. So I'm going to fix this position. Like when the green flag is getting clicked from the motion, it's going to fix the position of this one. Okay, so do not forget to check where you are working. As you can see on the workspace, bowl is there. That means I'm working on the bowl. Now after that, here we have to keep the condition to movement of the bowl. So for that one, I'm going to take a forever loop. And inside this forever loop, I'm going to take a nesting of the if conditions, two if condition, and from the sensing, I'm going to take the options of keep rest, that is the right and the left, because we want the movement of the bowl is right and the left, like this. Now, so right and left, if we are talking about right and left movement, that means it is related to the x-axis. So here you are going to take x change by y10 and here x change by y10. So if it is on right hand side, all values are positive. So plus 10 is going to be work. If it is on negative side, then minus 10 is going to be work. So if after that, if you make a click on green flag and drag it on right and left, see, it's always working. But now here you have to make the concept of the gain. So to making up the concept of the gain, you need one variable. So let's go to variable and create a variable that is the name of a score. So here we are introducing a score. So at the starting, this score should be 0. So I am taking score that should be 0. Green flag is getting clicked, then score is equals to 0. Now over here, I'm going to make one more condition. What's that one? Green flag is getting clicked. In the forever loop, I am going to make one if condition if equals option. So you have to take a equal options. If score is equal to 10, that means that is the winning option. So it's going to be fixed on 10. You can take it 20, 50, whatever the score. So I'm taking a little bit down target. If the score is equals to 10, then you have to go to the controls and let's take it stop all like this. So this is the condition of bowl that we have made completed. Now the same thing we need to develop for the other sprites as well. If it is touching the bowl, then what is going to be happen? So for that one, I'm going to take a first glass of water at the starting. So let's take this one and let's make the another condition again with the green flag. So over here to make these conditions, we have to keep this inside a forever loop to make it work forever. So if from the sensing you are going to take if it is touching a bowl. So in the drop down list, you will get an option of a bowl. So if it is touching a bowl, then from the variable, the score is going to be increased. Now it is a blue object collection game. So glass of water is a blue. That is why it is a +1. If it is coming with the red ones, then it is -1 at that point. So once it is touching to the bowl, score will get increased. And again, same conditions will occur. It needs to go on random position and set the y is equals to 180 to keep to make the continuous movement into the game. Now the same code I'm going to copy with strawberry. Then I'm going to copy it with balloon. Then I'm going to copy it with apple. Now make a click on strawberry and come over here and change it because it is a red. So make it a -1. So now if you are collecting a red strawberry, that will be -1. Now there is a blue balloon, so you do not need to change anything. Now make a click on apple. Again, apple is a red one, so you have to click on this one. So at this point, this project has been completed, or this game has been completed. You can play this game very easily. So I should pick the blue one, not going to pick any red one. So let's check the red points as well. Yes, if I'm touching the red one, it is a minus values over there. So I hope you're getting the concept how this game is going to be made with the concept of x and the y values over there. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you by the next time.